Hey everybody, Hardtekticon is back, and I am bringing you a new Big Bad Toy Store unboxing, and it is filled with lots of little guys and some kits to make some big guys. So let's get into it. Alright, now let's get this big bad boy open. One side, another side, and then straight down the middle. Straight down the middle. Gotta be careful because you don't want to cut any toys. There we go. And first I gotta take a peek in here and look. Oh, let's see it. Just grab that, crumple my receipt up so I'm not sharing any important information, and there we go. So let's get into this guy. And like I said at the beginning, it is mainly a bunch of little guys. No real big Transformers or toys in general, but we do have the tools to make some toys. Now of course we got the wondrous, wonderful bubble wrap, free with every order. I mean, they're not Amazon. Now, because I've been messing with modular and semi-modular synthesizers, those are the synthesizers that look like big silver walls covered in knobs and wires. I've been getting some of these guys. You can actually hang them on the little cables, and you know, it's just fun. And sometimes you kind of say, well, here's the Rocket Raccoon cable, and the Ultron cable, and the Giza version of Terminator 2 cable. And of course, the Groot cable, and finally, the Pennywise cable. So, yeah, in addition to the 4 I already have, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So, lots of fun there. Now, right here we have the barely Takara version of the Alchemist Prime and Submariner Pretender shell, because I could not find the Hasbro one anywhere for a decent price, including in stores. You know how they suck within stores. Alright, next up we have, and I know you're seeing some cool stuff, but be patient. We have got Snarl, like a nice metallic, coppery, rusty version of him to go with all the other darker Age of Extinction Dinobots that I have. Kind of getting rid of the Rainbow Dinobots, Power Ranger versions, for some better ones. Now, we have got a fun big guy right here. He's not a big guy, but he is kind of a big guy with his chest all busted open. Here we have Steel Lucifer, which is Iron Factory's take on Nova Prime. So very cool. And as usual, they don't put tape on their box, so... Ow! Oh crap, I just ripped it. Whew. No resale value there, huh? Now let's take a quick look open. Okay, empty box. Throw that to the side, and underneath I got some instructions. Throw that to the side. Now here's the top tray. I'm gonna kind of grab the bottom tray and let it happen. Whoa, geez. Ah, and there's a sword and the wings and some guns. So that's pretty cool. Look at that big sword. Dang. And yeah, that's it. That tray and this tray. And that allows him to transform from this little guy to that guy right there above my thumb. So very cool. Just slide him right back in. Also from Iron Factory, we have little Shriek's Feather, who is their version of the Seeker Slipstream. The only female Seeker that I know of. I guess Nacelle's supposed to be a female Seeker. They haven't really gotten specific about it. But here we have just one tray, box and instructions. Whoops. Shriek's Feather. And I'm not sure if this is a completely new mold or a remold of Windblade. Not completely sure. Kind of looks like Windblade a little bit. I mean, that's what they did with the Windblade figure. They made a slipstream from her on Hasbro, the Takara line. So yeah, cute. There's the back of her. So let me put her back in her tray. Where'd the other end go? Oh yeah, it's invisible, so I couldn't see it. Put her back in her plastic prison. Okay. Everything. Oh my goodness. It's so hard to close. Okay, I'll do it later. Alright. So also, let's get to this part. We have got Planet X, X-Mortalis, and Phobator, and Morpheus, which is the Planet X takes on the Insecticons. Let's see if I can do this. So yeah, they just got the sides of them. I guess it couldn't hurt to open these up and take a quick look. Again, no tape, so no cutting. Okay, so they're taped up in their plastic prisons. We'll just take a quick look. There is Kickback. Looking pretty nice. Like a small deluxe. Here we have what looks to be Bombshell. Looking pretty cool. And finally Morpheus, which is Shrapnel. Here we go, Shrapnel. Scrapnel, that's it. Scrapnel. I think. Hard to remember all these guys, really. And they each come with a card and instructions in their box. And look, there's some wings. Some wing weapons. If I can get it back in the box. You're gonna be like Slipstream. There we go. Yeah, kind of gonna be like Slipstream. And finally, good thing I grabbed this. This is the little pin to put Slipstream on a flight stand. So now we get to the big packages. We have PC-23, which is the upgrade kit for Volcanicus, the Hasbro Power of the Primes Dinobot Combiner. I've already got PC-21, which is his feet and hands. Just been kind of holding them as big old gaudy weapons right now. I don't even have all the Dinobots yet. I'll just have Grimlock, Slug, and Swoop. Slack. And finally, and this one's going to be an interesting one. This is the Primo X-Mortalis upgrade kit. This is the third one of these upgrade kits by S&D that I've gotten. I first got the red and blue Combiner Wars Optimus Prime one, and I didn't really care for it, so I actually sold it for a pretty decent profit. There was a lot to the build. You actually had to take some pins out, and that's kind of scary, but I have the right tools for it and a lot of experience. Experience with it. Sorry, I've got some hand wounds here from chopping stuff. But I'm actually going to take this one, which is supposed to be for the white Battle Core Optimus Prime, and I plan on putting it on the Takara Nemesis Scourge, or whatever it's called. And I think that's going to be pretty cool because it's going to be a mix of the blacks and whites. And that Combiner Wars Scourge that I already got, I covered in Nova Prime stickers, which looks really good on them. So this is going to be a very interesting experiment. Hope it goes well. And I might try and record the building results if I have time to share with y'all. So, as with the end of any unboxing, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time, and here comes the bubble tape.